Sanchar Saathi application, it's in the headlines, soon to be the inseparable part of your smartphones. Now let's try to understand the hubbub around it. So the government has ordered all the smartphone manufacturers to pre-install the Sanchar Saathi app in 90 days and also to push it to the existing phones through software updates. It also applies to all the phone manufacturers, be it Apple, Google, Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, etc., even if the package is now in transit. ये एप्लीकेशन गवर्नमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग फोन रिलेटेड फ्रॉड्स को कम करने में मदद करेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल IMEI फ्रॉड, फोन थेफ्ट, फेक सिम मिसयूज एंड मच मोर. That's about the application. The intent, which is not entirely wrong, with technological advancements, with our security being compromised at multiple instances recently, with pretty much all the terror modules getting advanced and being controlled through smartphones, some checks and balances were actually required in the picture. लेकिन the data is also ambiguous here. Hence सवाल तो पूछना बनता है and हम पूछेंगे भी. पहली बात तो what was the rush? And why can't people limit the access of this application? What kind of data will this application access? IMEI and SIM information के अलावा क्या हमारे मैसेजेस, फाइल लोकेशंस, कॉल लॉग्स, फोटो गैलरी सब कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाएंगे? Who will oversee this data collection and usage? अगर इस बार इसे अलाउ कर दिया तो will it be the entry point for government to mandate other applications in the future too? Does this directive run contrary to the fundamental rights such as right to privacy, freedom of choice? ये तो रहे कुछ सवाल. But बात ये भी है that our data is already compromised to the US and China based companies, so it's not like we are safe. It's just the Indian authority will now also hold command over it, while the accountability of any kind of mishap or leak stays with a big question mark.